Hello everybody, here you will find a practice example on Euclidean geometry. Example 1. M is the center of circle SVQR having equal chords SV and QR. RP and QP are tangents to the circle at R and Q respectively, such that angle RPQ is equal to 70 degrees. Number 1, calculate the size of R2. My advice to you is to start with what was given, and what was given was that there's two tangents and that angle P is 70 degrees. Q2 is equal to R2 and your reason tangents from same point. Now what that means is that because the tangents from same point are equal, in fact it is that angle and that angle will be equal. Then we can say that Q2 plus R2 plus 70 is 180 degrees, angles of a triangle, sum of angles of a triangle, and then twice R2 is 110, divide the 2 away, therefore R2 is 55 degrees. And then once I know the size of an angle, I write it down. Number 2, calculate the size of Q1. Now whenever there's a midpoint, then there's two things to watch out for, and that is a radius and a diameter. So in this case, MQ is indeed a radius. So we can start by saying that Q2 plus Q1 is equal to 90 degrees. And your reason is tangent perpendicular radius. And then we know that Q2 was 55 degrees. When you substitute it in there, you can work out Q1 and it's 35 degrees. And then again, I'm just going to write it in now that I know the size. Number 3, calculate the size of M2. So we can start by working out the size of M1 by saying M1 plus R1 plus Q1 is 180 degrees. And then M1 is 180 minus 70. Where does the 70 come from? It was R1 was 35 and Q1 was also 35, so I added them and I subtracted, and then I got M1 is 110, which leads me to M2, which is 110, and then look at that reason. The reason is equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. In the next lesson, you will find another practice example. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.